Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to make half sphere in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a cube to make a half sphere. So we can go to Add, Merge, and add a cube here. So Subdivide, and then make sure that we select the cube and go to Edit Mode. And then we can add geometry to make it as a sphere. So we can use right click and use Subdivide. And go to the Subdivide panel, we can increase number of cuts. I increase 3. Make sure that we have the middle edges. So we can use 3 or we can use 5. Next, we can click on empty space to apply it. And make sure that we select all the geometry. We can press A to select all, and then go to Merge and Transform. We can find Transform to Sphere. Or we can use shortcut Shift-Alt-S to use Transform to Sphere. So I click it and move the cursor and make it as a sphere shape. And click to apply it. Make sure that we have one in vector. So this is a sphere. Next, we can click on empty space to apply it. And then we can split the sphere into 2 in the middle. So we can switch the edge selection and use Alt and select the middle edge. Next, we can go to Merge and we can find Split. Use Faces by Edges. Click. We can split into 2. Now we can use face selection. We select the bottom faces. We can use Select by Link to select the half sphere at the bottom. So we can move it, or we can delete it to make half sphere. So if you want to fill the cap here, we can use Quad Fill. If you want to see how to do it, we have another tutorial in this channel. So this is how we can make half sphere in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.